Hey guys, welcome back. I am currently unpacking this hot mess right now. You guys cannot see, but I wanted to jump on, and before I separate it and put stuff away, I'm going to show you guys what I picked up in general from the trip. Now, I did share with you guys what I picked up at Walmart and here and there at Disney Springs, but I thought I'll go ahead and just share everything else that was picked up and bought and stuff. I am going to be a little bit out of breath. My mother-in-law tested positive for COVID on Monday. I feel fine, but my throat does feel really, really raspy. I'm drinking a medicine ball. So yeah, bear with me on that. Hopefully my mic is doing its job today. But yeah, I have a huge mess right here. So anyways, my what I really wanted was my Minnie Mouse Sanderson sister little bottle water thing. Couldn't find it. Hoping someone finds it or they put it on their website, but it's okay. It was huge anyways. But we did pick up a couple of things in general. Again, some things you have seen. So let me go ahead and just start out with the Crocs that I'm not going to show you because they're downstairs and they're dirty right now. But my mom actually bought me and my daughter Crocs. The Halloween Crocs are so cute. I love the colors. It kind of reminds me of the Hocus Pocus one, but the Hocus Pocus one has glitter, which my husband hates glitter, so we obviously didn't get those. But me and my daughter have matching ones. They are her size up. Right before our trip, she was a size 8. They still fit, but they fit a little bit on the tighter side. So we went with a size 9, so she'll be matching mommy for a while. We did go to Not So Scary Halloween, so they do give you this really cute bag. So we actually got 4 because my mom was with us. And I know it's hit or miss. Sometimes they don't give it to anybody under 2 because they don't actually have a ticket. But they did give my daughter one, and she was super excited. So I'm keeping these. That they are so cute. I did get this one for $5. That it was super duper cute for actual Halloween, or if we go to a pumpkin patch. And then the bags for this year weren't that cute. The last couple years, we usually buy a couple because they are on the cuter side, but they weren't that cute this year. These actually say Disneyland Resort, which one says Disneyland and the other says Disney World. So like this, they've had cuter, but I do like these when we go grocery shopping. So I picked up 2 of those and 1 medium, which I don't know where it is actually right now. Alright, so at Walmart, I'm just gonna grab stuff and kind of share where I got it. You guys did see we got this dress for my daughter. I do have to wash it, but yeah, we got this one for her. I'm not sure. I was thinking maybe she could just be Mickey for Halloween, or Minnie, but she actually said that she wants to be a witch. So let's see. She says she wants her and mommy to be a witch and Papi to be a heavy witch, which means a big witch, so we'll see. Also at Walmart, we got this towel. We haven't used it, so I do have to throw it in the washer. I did share with you guys that one. That's going straight in the hamper right there. My mom did go to a Sam's Club and bought my daughter this little cute outfit, which I'm actually going to take all the tags off right now, right after the video. And it has real pockets in 4 or 5. She's currently a 4T, 4T, 3T. So, and it came with this really cute purple sweater. Her favorite color is purple, so that's completely on my Munchkin's alley. She also got this Puma Kids 2-piece activewear set. And this Super Kittens, which now I notice she's going to think it's so cute. It's actually a pajama set, yeah. And then I believe at Disney Springs, we also got this bubble wand. I did already buy her a Mickey and Minnie one, but those are like the ones you get on Amazon. So we got her this one. She did play with this one at the parks, and she loved it. It is super cute, and I think it's great also to take with us when we go to a pumpkin patch later on in the season. I believe she also got this one at think actually, I'm not sure this was Walmart, to be honest. But it is a 4T Halloween pajamas, which I thought was super duper cute. You guys know I love Halloween. These are the pants. They're completely see-through though, but they're super cute. Let's go on with little Walmart dresses that she got her. You guys saw this in the other haul, but I just wanted to share it with you guys here as well. And then Elsa, which is her favorite show. She keeps singing it now around the house, just like her. This princess one. I showed you guys these already, but I'm just re-showing in case you didn't see that vlog. But yeah, this one's so cute. And this one as well. So these are all actually extra small 5'6". So I know that these will fit her next year, next summer. So that's good to know. My Didi got her this for her birthday since we did celebrate her birthday out there, which is super duper cute. And again, this is 4'5". And the back is super duper adorable. So she got her that. My mom also got her this, which again to me is great because we are going to take this to the pumpkin patch when we go, or anything Halloween that we decide to do. My mom went so overboard. So we already took a Goofy with us because this was her favorite right before leaving. I need to put these all in our cleanser sanitizer thing over there. But my mom ended up buying her a little Mickey mini and a medium size mini. And then my in-laws bought her this guy, which was $44. But at Walmart, they could have got it for $25. But this huge one, she hasn't seen it. I think she forgot about it already, but I will show her in just a second. She'll probably be just as excited as when she got it. She also got Daisy, a little Daisy. She played with her a lot, actually, at my aunt's house. And then my mom also got her this little Minnie Mouse purse, which I think she should just be Minnie for Halloween, but she really wants to be a witch, so we'll see what happens. This guy's so cute. Before we even left to Florida, at the airport, my mom bought her a mermaid, which she was like beyond happy about this mermaid. This wasn't purchased on, well, it was purchased on the trip, but it wasn't. I actually bought it the day we were leaving, but we ended up not using it, so I brought it with me. And it's a cookie cutter for Minnie Mickey Mouse, so I'll probably be using that since I like baking. All right, and then this wasn't really, I mean, it was purchased, but it was a bigger buy. This, my husband hates it. He says it looks nothing like us. It really doesn't, which I kind of like. I don't mind that it doesn't look like us. But my husband's like, I like a whole different nationality. It was just so funny, but honestly, I just love the memory of us doing this. So we got this. This was actually $45. So yeah, which is actually cheap for that. So I guess we got what we paid for. My mom buys her such random things. She got her a G keychain. Did my munchkin need this? No, she does not have keys. So got her that. And then my mom did buy me two pricier items that I wanted. She got me this really cute glow-in-the-dark Sanderson Sisters Hocus Pocus sweater. I got it in a medium, right? I think I got it in a medium. I don't even know what the size is. I got it in a medium. It is super, super cute. Definitely going to wear this very soon. I'm going to wash it though. And in the back is so cute. This is just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. I love it. It's the color, everything is so on my alley. And then I was really looking for a different one that they had, but they didn't have it. This one I know is a medium, but we ended up getting this one, which is super duper cute to me too. I wish it was a different color, but I actually don't mind because it's Sanderson Sisters. So yeah, it's really, really cute. It has a hoodie. I could wear this to the pumpkin patch or anything. So we got that. And then I did get some shirts for my best friend's kids. They'll be matching. I got them too. And then my DTs, both of them, I saw this at a Marshalls or TJ Maxx out there, and I left it because I was like, oh, I don't really have room for it, so it's okay. The next day, my TTs went to go buy it. Both of them, my godmother and my other TT, both went to go buy me this guy. It's so cute. I can't wait to put it somewhere in my room when I start decorating. And this was about $25, and it's so cute. I'm so happy. You guys know last year I actually had a Christmas tree of Hocus Pocus that I left on for basically September till January, but I'm so excited to have that. And then my Titi knows I love Hocus Pocus, and so does she. And she actually got me a couple of things to bring back home. One of them is this guy, and this is I Smell Children, to kind of just display in my room. This little guy has a little holder. Some really cute pins, but I'll show you guys that last. And then this guy, which is really cute, which is basically the movie, poster. And it's not plastic, it's actually like that metal feeling. And then some pins. Sorry, my mom called. Billy, sisters, beans, and all three of them are flying, which I absolutely love. So can you guys see it? There you go. Alright, so that is it that we bought, I believe. I'm like looking around. I'm not including anything that my husband bought, just because I already put that away. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna keep my eyes out though for that cup that I really want, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to leave this emoji down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.